Nozzles on the dirt collector. Opening the rinse valve creates a pronounced drop of pressure in the hydraulic motor chamber. Pronounced drop of pressure in the hydraulic motor chamber. Water flows backward through the screen in a very small area at high velocity and into the nozzle opening. Then through the dirt collector and into the hydraulic motor chamber. Finally, water containing debris collected from the interior of the fine screen is evacuated through the rinse valve.